Welcome to the Coolman777 YouTube page. After you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe.
Okay, folks, we are here at Tomahawk MX, and all the AB riders are getting ready to go on the track, and they're gonna jump this big 100-foot jump. And I'm gonna be here to cheer them on with my air horn. Let's do it. So, whenever you hear this air horn at the track, you know I'm there. Here we go, AB on the track. There they are. Woo! It's like a full-blown national race here. Let's see these boys get it done. Here we go. First one. He looks like he's gonna jump it. He got some momentum going. Let's go, let's go! Woo! Oh, launch time, here we go! Yamaha inside line, let's go! Woo, these boys are getting it done out here.